Hi friends, today we're going to be doing more work with our long vowel sounds and our silent E. So I'm going to go ahead and write our vowels at the top just to remind you what they are. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And whenever we're talking about silent E, the vowels will make their long sound or they will say their name. So let's look at how a few words change whenever we add the silent E. First word that I'm going to write on the board is shin. Shin. And if I add a silent E to the word shin, it's going to change that vowel sound. Now that E is going to kick the I and make it say its name. So instead of sh, shin, it's shine, shine. So the word changes because we add that silent E. Let's try another one. What about cut? The word cut is going to change when I add that silent E. Do you know what that new word could be? That E kicks the U and makes it say its name. Cute. Let's do a few more. What about the word pin? The word pin. If I draw a line down the middle of this chart, let's think about that word pin and how it's going to change when I add that silent E. Where would the word pin go? Would it go with shin or with the side that says cut? In. It would go over here because we hear that in or that I sound, that I. The word pin, if we add an E on the end, turns to the word pine. They both have that I that is affected by that quiet E. Let's look at another word. What about the word mutt? The word mutt. Think about the vowel sound that you hear in that word. And if I wanted to write it on my chart, which side would I write it on? Would I write it on the side with shin and pin or cut? The word is mutt. I would write it on this side because we hear that sound, that U, mutt. And when I add that silent E, it kicks that vowel U and makes it say its name, so that word will change. And instead of saying mutt, it is now mute. So today we're going to be talking about words that have a long vowel I and a long vowel U sound. So over here we have our I. We have our I vowel, and we have our U vowel. We're going to be separating words based on the pattern that we see in here. So on this side we have our vowel, then we have a consonant, and then we have a silent E. And on this side we have our U sound that we hear. So it's our vowel, then our consonant, and then we're going to see a silent E. So I'm going to give you two more words that we can sort together, and then you guys are going to be doing a 3-word word sort on your own. Last 2 words that I want to sort. The first one is head. Listen to which vowel sound you hear in that word, and where will it go? Will it go under the long vowel I sound or long vowel U when I add that silent E? Head. I hear I, so that is an I. Head. And when I add that silent E, the word is going to change, and it now says hide. Hide. That E takes the I and makes it say its name. All right, the last word is hug. Which vowel sound do you hear? Hug. I hear which is a U. Hug. And when we add that silent E, it becomes the word huge, huge. That E takes the U and makes it say its name, huge. So I am going to give you guys 4 or 5 words to do all by yourself today. And you're going to make a chart on your paper at home just like this. At the top of your paper, I want you to write I blank E, U blank E, and then draw a line down the middle. Here's the words that we did together. But you guys are going to do it again. You're going to sort words again, but I'm going to give you new words to sort. Okay? The words that I want you guys to sort, let me write them in a different color. And when you sort them, I want you to add the quiet E on the end and think about how that word changes. I want you guys to do the words bit. How is that going to change when we add the quiet E? Bit. If we add that quiet E, the word is bite. Let's do the next one. The next word is rid. And when you add that quiet E, that word's going to change when you say it. Rid becomes ride, ride. Then we have tub. And tub, when you add that quiet E, it's going to sound like tube, tube. We have kit. The word kit, when you add that quiet E, becomes kite. And lastly, we have the word cub. And the word cub, when you add that silent E, becomes the word cube. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words that I want you to sort. Do they go under the pattern of having a I vowel, consonant, silent E? Or do they go under the pattern of having a U vowel, consonant, and then a silent E? So the words are bite, ride, tube, cube, and kite. And I want you to sort them just like we did together. And then upload a picture of your work.